I'm going to make you a beautiful Victoria sponge cake, and in the centre I'm going to fill it with some lemon curd and of course lots and lots of cream. So to make the batter you'll need some egg whites, 4 egg whites into a food processor. My food processor has a whisk attachment. We want to get as much air into the eggs as possible because this is what's going to make it really light. So the lid goes on. And when this starts to become a little frothy, little by little, I'll add my caster sugar. All right, we have beautiful meringues. Look how glossy they are. So we can add our egg yolks now, so 4 egg yolks. And just on a lower speed, we're going to gently incorporate it. All right, this mixture is exactly how it should be. So I'm going to transfer this over to a large mixing bowl because what I like to do is just gently sift in my flour so we really maintain the light fluffiness of this batter. Scoop that in. And you'll need 1 cup of self-raising flour. Now I'm using a low protein self-raising flour, which is ideal for cakes like sponges. So that's half a cup and another half, and we'll sift that in. A few more ingredients, some melted butter and just a small amount of melted butter, about 5 grams, some milk, and with a spatula, I'm going to gently fold this in. Take your time doing it. It's actually quite therapeutic, that soft flour into those beautiful egg whites. After I've incorporated all the flour, this goes into a prepared tin at 160 degrees for half an hour to about 35 minutes. So I've waited for the cake to cool and I've cut it in half. Now I like to put the top as the base because you can see it's just got a slight natural indent. That's kind of an advantage because we're going to fill it with cream and curd. So we'll start with some whipped cream and we'll start on the outside, just leaving a slight border because we're going to squish it together. Ooh, and feel that gap there. And then we're just going to top that with lots of lemon curd. This is such a great addition. Now for our top, which is in fact our base because it's perfectly flat. We're going to pop that on top. I do have some cream left over, so I'm going to pop some cream over the top. And we're going to spread it out. And I'm going to cover the whole cake in cream. It's a really nice touch. So just with a palette knife, I've got my little Lazy Susan here. I'm going to spread this cream over the top and then spread it on the sides. This Lazy Susan has come in handy. How great does that look? I'm going to place this onto a cake stand. And because we've got a bit of lemon curd in the cake, I just like to add a small amount of fresh lemon zest over the top. And that's it. The simplest cakes are sometimes the best cakes. A glorious Victoria sponge with some lemon curd and lots of cream. See this smile? It's because I can't wait to eat that.